entrance. That's so
How you doing? Just coming to look at those
We
homes
wanted to
that
look
are
at an open
advertised.
house. They probably have signs. Yeah, we were just driving around.
that. Okay, we're gonna check out some homes over here in Venice, Florida. Ready to check out some homes?
Yeah, I looked on this.
I love the entrance already.
Yeah, it's pretty.
This might even be
Park
where you
garage.
gotta go to the sales office.
And that's the like lake kind of thing. Wow. So pretty. Looks like an office. Wow. So pretty. That's the living room. Love the light. Such a big kitchen. Hey, I might move in here now. Oh my god.
You better not take Caitlin here.
Yeah, well, yeah, Caitlin, I'm already sold in.
She'll be saying, I want to move.
Can we go out?
Look at this.
Yeah, this is nice.
Oh, wow.
Got the shade under here.
I know.
Got
It's
the
like a hot tub and swimming pool and a lake.
Yeah.
How much is this house for?
We'll have to check it out.
We'll have to check, but
Yeah,
when you really think
it's like a nice patio over here. Wow, this is so beautiful.
I could just jump in that pool.
Yeah, and there's no grass. I don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, you don't have to worry nothing. It's beautiful.
I might buy it.
I like this having the door to come out of your bedroom. So you
Right.
don't want to go out there and have coffee or something.
Yeah,
Just jump in the pool with your swing.
so pretty.
Yeah. It's good size. I like the
Oh, it's
ceilings.
like-
Those
Lights are
ceilings.
fancy. It comes with a light, right?
You probably pick anyone you want.
That's the lake view from your master bedroom.
It's got enough room.
Oh my god, this is the bathroom?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a closet.
This is like...
There's two closets, him
hey.
and her.
There's you.
You get the tiny closet.
Yeah, that's...
Hey, she can never
complain that she has less
Not
space.
enough space.
Look, when you go to the bathroom, you get to be private.
Oh, that's so
See that? Isn't
nice.
that
And then
nice?
there's like a bathtub
Yeah.
and a shower.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice big shower.
Oh, wow.
2 sinks.
2 sinks. Oh my
That's
god,
really
I can
nice.
have my own sink and
Mhm.
Caitlin can have her own.
Yeah.
I already like it.
Yeah, very nice.
This
And you
is
can
not
sit
good.
here if you want, just relax.
I know, Caitlin can spend like hours and hours. This is so nice.
It is nice.
Wow.
Nice
So
view, huh?
that's the master bedroom over there, and then this whole thing is just the bathroom. Look at that, like shower, and then the bathtub, 2 sinks, and this is toilet, and then 2 storage, and that's the master bedroom. And look at that, there's a lake right there. If you see, there's a lake, and then there's a outside your master bedroom. There's a swimming pool, hot tub. No vibes. That's the kitchen area, and that's the dining area. So big. Garage?
3-car garage.
Beauty. when you buy this, we're coming to visit.
Yeah, there's a.
Oh, you have to. Oh, there's a guest
No,
bedroom.
we're gonna be really visiting.
Yeah, yeah.
Bringing on our overnight bags.
Yes. There's 2 bedrooms and then they have their own bathroom. Oh my
Their own
god, the
bathroom?
bathroom is so big. Wow. I have to find out how much is it.
Yes, how much is this model?
Yeah.
But look at this. Look at this. The laundry room,
Yeah.
nice and clean. And you come out here.
Yeah. Oh wow. Whoa, this is so big.
Okay, that's your
That's the wiring.
unit.
Yeah. I can set up my YouTube studio over here.
You can.
I just have to fix the voice of it. But that is so
It's
cool.
unbelievable. This is nice having a study where you can have.
Oh, yeah, that's like an office.
Yeah.
Caitlin can have her set up her office over here.
Yeah,
Or I can set up my
she
studio.
could see her. Yeah, she could take her clients and.
Yeah.
That's another guest bedroom. That's
Nice.
a nice
Okay,
size.
this is where we're staying when we come.
I don't know, I kind of like that other one. It's twin beds. You know,
Twin beds.
I don't have to worry about you
Let's see the
banging
closet
into
space.
They're already booking their spaces.
20 room. We can. You have so much room. We can leave some clothes there.
Yeah, exactly.
We're calling dibs. That's why.
So looks
Ah, cool.
hey,
Yeah, very nice.
We're having
yeah. So looks like Caitlin's mom is gonna have the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you've got
Definitely
one
like
outside
that
of
house a lot.
Me too.
We might buy it. I mean, I might buy it, and they might come there.
We might sell our house and move in with you.
Perfect. And have Caitlin's mom move in with us too. So big. Okay.